What's the real difference between a new fighter and a true master? It's not the number of punches they know, it's the level of understanding they've reached. Every single fighter, from day one to a world champion, is on a journey through these 5 distinct levels of mastery. The problem is, most people get stuck at level 2 and never know why. In this video, I'm going to give you the complete map. You will learn exactly what level you're at right now and what you need to do to climb to the next. Level 1 is the mechanic. Here, every movement is a conscious, deliberate command you send from your brain to your body. You aren't throwing a jab, you are thinking: 1. Pivot back foot. 2. Rotate hip. 3. Extend arm. Your movements are stiff, disconnected, and inefficient. This is normal. Your only job at this level is to burn the correct form into your muscle memory. The goal isn't speed or power, it's perfect robotic repetition. At level 2, you become the combiner. You've downloaded the individual techniques, and now you can run simple programs. You can throw a 1-2 or a 1-2 hook without thinking about every single step. This is a huge step, but it's also a trap. At this level, you are still executing a pre-planned script. You are not yet reacting to a real opponent. You are performing a routine. This is called unconscious competence. It's like learning to walk. You no longer have to think about the mechanics of it. This frees up your conscious mind to finally start seeing what's actually happening in a fight. Welcome to the mental game. Level 4 is the chess master. Your mind is now free, and you stop seeing just a target. You start seeing patterns, reactions, and opportunities. You are no longer just an attacker, you are a trapper. And by the way, if you just felt that aha moment and you're serious about making the leap to level 3 and beyond, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. Every video on this channel is designed to help you climb these levels faster. Every move has a purpose, beyond just landing. A feint is used to draw a reaction. A specific combo is thrown to condition your opponent to expect it, only for you to break the pattern and land the real shot. You are fighting 3 moves ahead. This is the final stage. Level 5 is the Dictator. At this level, you don't just play the chess game better than your opponent, you force them to play your game on your board. You impose your will. You control the distance, you control the pace. You break your opponent's rhythm and never let them find their own. They aren't throwing what they want to throw, they're throwing what you are forcing them to throw. This is the art of mastery. From mechanic to dictator, that is the path. It's a long road, and every single round of training is a chance to climb 1 step higher. So, be honest. Based on these descriptions, what level are you at right now? Drop it in the comments below. There is no shame in being at level 1. The only shame is choosing to stay there. If you're ready to climb, the subscribe button is on the screen now. And for all of you who said you're stuck at level 2, the trap of the combiner, I've put a video right here on mastering the pivot. It is the single most important technique to break through to level 3. Click it and watch it next. Train smart. Stay ready.